You're watching how to post a live photo on Instagram story. Open the Instagram app and swipe right from your feed or tap your profile picture to access the story's camera. To use a live photo from your gallery, swipe up on the camera screen or tap the gallery thumbnail in the bottom left. This opens your photo library. At the top of the library, tap Live to filter and show only your live photos. Select the live photo you want to use. A live badge will appear on the image. Before posting, you can add text, stickers, or drawings as usual. When you're ready, tap your story to share it. Once posted, your story will initially appear as a still image. Viewers can press and hold on the image to activate the live photos. Motion and sound on your own story. You can also tap and hold to see it play. To post a live photo as a boomerang or other format, select the live photo from your gallery, then swipe left or right at the bottom of the screen to choose a format like boomerang, hands-free, or layout before sharing. Note that if you download a live photo from Instagram, it will be a static image. The live photo feature in Stories is only supported on iOS devices, as live photos are an Apple format. Android users viewing the story can still tap and hold to see the motion if it was posted from an iPhone. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.